know the trains come by right now, right? Your car ain't going nowhere, dude. You're stuck on the track. Alright, so how do we get off the track? Bro, I'm Michael Jordan's son. You wanna check under my nuts too? I'm not doing anything wrong. Nah, you can check under there. I'm just trying to get home. It's just a big get some big balls. And I made a wrong turn. Hey, Marcus Jordan. Are you like popular or something? Or? No, exactly. No speed, man. Might get a ticket. This is my shit. Can you turn this up? Free yourself. That's the rest of black guy. If I was a white motherfucker, wouldn't have done shit.
512 Seminole vehicles, 12 Foxtrot, southbound 600, high rate of speed. 8512 Seminole 239 Mayland appears to have gone west on Greenwood Drive.
But they are on the track. They were letting you know. And they're trying to take off.
Yeah, we need to go down there. Hey, you guys good? Yeah, we're trying to. My car's a little stuck right now. I see that. You want to help us? We're going to try. What happened? How'd you get on the tracks, man? Help us try and reverse this thing out. Well, hang on. You are stuck. Come here. You know the trains come by right now, right? No, I know. That's why I'm trying to get the out of here. I hear you. What? Yeah, your car ain't going nowhere, dude. You're buried. You're stuck on the track. Alright, so how do we get off the track? Honestly, I'm trying to figure that out. We notified the Sunrail. I need you guys out of the car because there is a train coming right now.
What the
Man, let me pull up. You can't move.
You're not going to be able to move it. Just get out of the car.
Move it to the right.
You can't. You're buried.
No, you can move it to the right.
You're buried, bro. You can't go nowhere. You're buried. But there's a train
At least to the right.
less than 5 minutes
Try
away.
To the right.
All right, so then, you want to get hit by a train?
Do you think I want to get hit by a train?
No, that's what I'm
absolutely
saying.
not.
Get out of the car so we don't get hit, so we can get off this thing.
Baby, try to the right.
All right, get out of the car.
Okay.
Get out of the car.
Okay.
I gotta
Right
order you
now.
guys out. Get out of the car, both of you guys. Come on. Safety
We're getting
first.
out.
Safety first, man.
Of course, safety first, but I mean, I'm trying to get the out of here.
Yeah, but your car's not going anywhere, man. It's
I
literally stuck.
understand that.
So, come on.
Yeah, you guys need to get out of the train.
There's a train coming. I don't want to see you guys get hit, bro. Okay. You see what I'm saying?
I mean,
That's what I said. It ain't going nowhere. We can't help you
I
out
see
with that. We got the Sunrail. We're notifying them to see if they'll stop, but they got one coming right from Sanford, and it's.
I mean, I feel like we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of us guys. We can push this mother.
My concern is us.
The concern is this $300,000 vehicle.
Do me a favor, keep your hands out of your pockets,
Yeah.
man. Yeah. Keep your hands out of your pockets.
There's nothing in my pocket.
That's all. I'm gonna pass you down a little bit. Put your hands up.
Bro, I'm Marcus Jordan. I'm Michael Jordan's son. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just trying to get home. And I made a wrong turn. Okay? And clearly, we would just like to get our car off of the train tracks.
I've already got concerns for your level of impairment, anyways. Okay, so that's why.
Why?
Because I can smell alcohol coming from you, and you're on train tracks. Okay. So
Come on, man.
just listen to me. That's why I don't want you back behind the wheel, anyways. Okay.
I'm fine behind the wheel. I just would like to get my car out of this.
We'll deal with that after this. Okay. We'll deal with that after this. But that's why I had to get you out of the car. Okay. Because I hear spinning tires. I hear slurred speech from you. You're driving on train tracks.
I'm not slurring anything, and I'm
okay. I'm letting you know. I have concerns. Okay?
well.
For your
I
level of
appreciate
impairment
that.
Driving a vehicle, I can't let you back behind the car and drive a vehicle.
I appreciate your concerns.
Yeah, I don't want.
But I am not inebriated. I'm not anything that cannot drive home.
Listen, I'm not getting you back behind the wheel until I know that you're safe enough to operate it.
Okay, so what do I have to do to show you that I'm safe enough to operate it?
Well, I'm gonna ask you to do field sobriety exercises in a minute.
You want me to go this way?
Yes, sir.
All right, this way. Where were you guys coming from tonight?
We were at several venues.
How much did you have to drink?
A little bit.
Under the legal limit.
Okay. What's the legal limit?
What is it, 0.08 or something
0.08,
like that?
okay.
Yeah.
So how many drinks is a 0.08?
I know, man. I'm not.
That's what I was asking.
I'm not a scientist.
So that's why I'm asking how much you had to drink. I know you said under the legal limit. Was it 1, 2, 10, 20? How many?
I know that I'm under the legal limit.
Okay. Do you have any issues with walking or anything like
No.
that? Any injuries?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you take any prescription medications?
No, sir.
Okay. What about illegal substances tonight?
No,
Marijuana,
sir.
Heroin, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna have you do a couple exercises. Okay.
Sure.
And what those are is I'm gonna look at your eyes first. Okay. All right. Follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and eyes only.
Sure.
Keep your head still. Okay. So just your eyes.
Yeah, man. I'm doing my best.
Keep your head towards me. Keep turning a little bit like that. All right.
No,
Follow it with your eyes.
I am.
Don't
I
use
see
your
it.
peripherals. I want you to
No,
stare
I
at my
see it.
finger.
I
like
see
that.
it. I'm following it.
All right.
Yeah,
Keep looking at my finger.
I am.
Then why are you looking at me?
Oh,
No, I want you to
because
stay
I
looking
see
at my
where
finger.
when your finger stops. So,
So keep your eyes on it.
all right, sure.
It's a simple instruction, okay? Follow the tip of my finger. Keep your eyes on the finger and keep your head still. All right,
And
so
I
we're
am.
gonna grab some tape and have you walk on the line, okay? Do you feel comfortable in those shoes? You able to walk on it?
I'm comfortable as.
Okay. Pretty relaxed.
Yeah, I feel great.
All right, hold on to it.
I can smell it from here.
Go ahead and put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot directly in front of your left, heel tucked in your toe. Keep your arms down by your side in a relaxed manner. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. Make a turn, which I'll demonstrate for you, and walk 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. So go ahead and get back into position.
I'm in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we need extra tape for this?
No, sir.
No?
Do the turn.
So then here's the turn, And then I'm going 9 back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
Come on, man. Like, what the f?
When I tell you, you're going to raise one foot 6 inches off the ground like this. You're going to point your toe away from your body and make your foot like parallel to the ground. You're going to keep your arms down by your side throughout the entire exercise and legs straight like this. So you're going to look at your raised foot. You're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. So I tell you to stop. If you have no questions, once you raise your foot, I'll start the timer and you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Keep your arms
6,
down by your side.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Raise your foot.
Look at what?
You raise foot. Just like this.
You want me to look at my foot?
Yeah, look at your foot. Just like that.
All right, so should we restart?
No, we can go ahead and stop.
Why?
That was 30 seconds. I told you it was a 30-second exercise.
But
Scale from 0 to 10, 0 being completely sober, 10 being falling down drunk. Where would you put yourself at?
where would I put myself at? 3.
3?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Put those hands back. I believe you had too much to drink. Okay. Just letting you know. Okay?
I disagree with that, sir. But whatever you say.
It's what I'm letting you know.
If you walk on your own, I can help you walk in.
I'm walking.
You're pulling it back and pushing back against me.
I'm not pushing.
You walk like a normal person, you'll be alright.
I am a normal person, man. What is y'all this is crazy? This is
Just lean against the car.
y'all. You're disrespecting me.
Come on, hold this for me.
To a small degree, you guys are disrespecting me. Man, what a Monday night. What a Monday night. This ridiculous. You want to see my You want to check under my nuts too?
No, not really.
It's not
Go
something I'm
ahead.
really
I
interested
feel
in.
like you might be.
No,
I feel like you might be.
Where is that?
I don't know. The way you searching,
Well, we gotta search everybody's thing.
Nah, you can check under there. You can check under there. It ain't shit. It's just a big some big balls, bro. Yeah, receipts for I paid for in this city. Like, what the f? Really? Really? I mean, y'all are doing the most right now.
Yeah, we always do.
I didn't do anything, man. I made a wrong.
You're arrested for DUI.
But I'm not drunk.
All right, take a seat.
Number one.
Well, my opinion is different.
Yeah, I know. I get that.
come this
I
way.
get
Take a
that.
seat in the
Hold
car.
on, wait,
Listen,
sir. Wait.
I'm telling you right now to go sit down.
I'm having a conversation.
Sit down, because if not, I'm going to put you in the car and it's going to hurt.
Hang on. One question. You can ask me one question, I'll answer it, and then I want you to sit down. What's up?
I just want to understand why y'all are treating me as if I did something criminal.
Because I think you have driving under the influence.
But I'm not.
Substance. So I've answered your question. Now please sit down and I'll answer more questions. Please sit down.
I got nothing else for you, bro.
All right.
Hold on. Can I sit down?
Sit down.
Yo.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Yo, chill the out, bro.
You chill out.
Hold on.
Stop kicking.
Yo, can I ask my girlfriend a question?
Don't do that again.
Relax.
Sit down.
Relax.
Seat in the car.
Relax. Can I ask my girlfriend a question or no?
Feet in the car.
I got it right behind you.
Wow. Okay. All right. What's your name?
Officer Marino, badge number
What's it?
183.
Trying to ask a question, and we're telling you. I'm trying to ask a question. I haven't done anything wrong. You motherfuckers are around me. What? I am listening to you. I think your sobriety test. I did everything you wanted me to do. Did I not? Because y'all act like y'all bigger than me. Bullshit. This is bullshit. It's a boring Monday night, huh? So let's arrest Marcus Jordan.
There's a baggie with powder. I was gonna grab the wipe to.
It's a boring Monday night. Y'all having a
Pipes are going to be on the bottom.
We'll have some beers after this.
Is the baggie in his pocket?
Yes.
That,
And right pocket.
it's probably going to be cocaine because that explains the agitation.
Should get it right.
One of you guys.
So this one's from Prada. What he was talking about. Bar. Red Bull tequila. More tequila. So there was this little pouch here too.
So he's going to have about 4 charges. Any questions? All right.
#63 Maitland, 1051 to Orange County DUI Center.
I apologize. I made a wrong turn.
Well, and like I said, I mean, I appreciate the apology for making the wrong turn, but we gotta make sure everybody's safe to drive. And I think you've had too much to drink to drive that
That's
vehicle.
your thoughts. It's whatever. Y'all feel powerful. Y'all do y'all thing. Y'all feel great, right? Y'all feel great. Y'all did something good. Marcus Jordan.
Are you a celebrity or something?
No, exactly. Don't act like
Dude, I don't know who you are, man.
yeah, but it's good. So then don't ask me.
You keep bringing it up, man. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
That's all.
because you know. You act like you don't know. But it's cool. You'll find out tomorrow. On speed and you might get a ticket. I don't feel comfortable in a car that's speeding.
Do you feel comfortable in a car that stopped on the tracks?
This is my shit. Can you turn this up?
No, sir.
No? So I gotta say it. Free yourself. Right? I see you nodding your head. You know this shit. Let's arrest a black guy. If I was a white motherfucker, if I was the CEO at Morgan & Morgan,
I'd arrest you too.
you wouldn't have done shit. You wouldn't have done shit. That's the facts. Now y'all quiet as what? There's cameras in here?
Everything I say,
That's
talking
a
about
lie.
race. I'm tired of talking about it. I'm not gonna try to get into a trap about race. That's not what I'm about. All right.
Bullshit.
And that's exactly the reason why.
How about this? Can I call it bullshit? 4 foot or 5 foot?